Welcome to JayCopy. This video is beneficial for anyone interested in sales, marketing, copywriting, advertising, etc. Today, we're going to discover some fascinating secrets of consumer psychology. Get ready to learn the secrets of influencing human behavior and boosting your sales. Principle number 1, the fear factor asterisk. Fear sells, motivates, urges, and drives people to spend money. But why does it work? The answer is simple: stress. Fear causes stress, and stress causes the desire to do something. It can be understood by a perfect example of insurance policies. An insurance salesperson emphasizes the financial risks of not having adequate insurance coverage. They highlight scenarios where clients could lose their homes, savings, or income due to unforeseen events. The salesperson says, "Don't leave your financial future to chance. Our insurance policies will protect you and your loved ones from financial ruin." Now the steps use fear is very easy and divided into 4 steps. The 4 steps for inducing fear are: Step 1. Spare the hell out of people. Step 2. Offer a specific recommendation for overcoming the fear-roused threat. Step 3. The recommended action is perceived as effective solution for reducing the threat. Step 4. The message should be concerning so that recipient believes that he or she can perform the action recommended to overcome fear. Now let's move on to the next principle, which comes after fear. Principle number 2, ego-morphing asterisk. Ego-morphing is the technique that allows you to create a certain image or identity for a product in order to appeal a particular section of the audience. Your goal is to cause consumers to become so closely associated with the product's image that it almost becomes a part of their own identity. By representing your product through carefully chosen images and personalities, you can persuade your prospects that, by purchasing or using your wares or products, they'll immediately become associated with these images and attitudes. The great examples we see in our day-to-day life is of luxury cars. A luxury car salesperson shows a prospective buyer a sleek, high-end vehicle. The salesperson highlights the car's advanced features, premium materials, and exclusive design. The buyer begins to imagine themselves driving the car, feeling successful, and receiving admiration from others. The salesperson reinforces this ego-morphing by saying, "This car is for someone who values excellence and wants to make a statement." Alright, today we explored 2 game-changing principles of consumer psychology that can boost sales and leads. That's it for today's video. If you want to discover more about the 17 foundational principles of consumer psychology, be sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. We'll be releasing new videos soon, and you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.